Now this is exercise 7.1 of Exemplar and question number 16. A circle drawn with origin as the center passes through 13/2, 0. The point which doesn't lie in the interior of the circle is, now 4 points are given here. You are to explain which point doesn't lie in the interior of the circle. Now this is a circle with center O. Now its coordinates are 0, 0. So origin is the center of the circle. And this circle passes through the point 13/2, 0. Let this point is 13/2, 0. Let this point is P, and which is 13/2, 0. Now OP is the radius of the circle. So distance between PO is the radius of the circle. So if we are to find the radius of the circle, we will find the distance between PO. So radius of the circle is equal to distance between PO, distance between 0, 0 and 13/2, 0. So radius will come out to be, write distance formula between these 2 points, root 13/2 whole square, that is equal to 13/2, that is equal to 6.5. Now our question is, from all these points, which point doesn't lie in the interior of the circle? We know a point lie outside the circle if its distance from the center of the circle is greater than the radius of the circle. I'll write it here. We know a point lie outside the circle if its distance from the center of the circle is greater than the radius of the circle. Distance is greater than the radius of the circle, it means it lies outside a circle. Now the second point is, a point lie on the circle if its distance from the center of the circle is equal to the radius of the circle. It means a point lie on the circle if distance from the center of the circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Distance is equal to radius of the circle. And the third is, a point lie inside the circle if its distance from the center of the circle is less than the radius of the circle. It means if distance is less than the radius of the circle. Now the first case is, find the distance between 0, 0 and -3/4, 1, which is equal to -3/4 minus 0 whole square plus 1 minus 0 whole square. That is equal to 9/16 plus 1. That is equal to root 25/60. That is 5/4. That is 1.25. Radius we have already found, that is 6.5. And this distance is 1.25. So it implies distance is less than radius. It implies point lies inside the circle. Now the second is, now find the distance between the point 0, 0 and 2, 7/3. So apply the distance formula. That is equal to 4 plus 49/9. That is equal to 36 plus 49/9. That is equal to root 85/9, 9.44, 3.06. That means that is equal to 3.1. 3.1 is less than 6.5. So it implies distance is less than radius. So it implies point lie inside the circle. Now let's discuss the third case. Now find the distance between 0, 0 and 5 minus 1 by 2. So apply the distance formula, which is 5 minus 0 whole square plus minus half minus 0 whole square. That is equal to 25 plus 1 by 4. That is equal to 101 by 4. So that is equal to 5.02. Again, this 5.02 is less than 6.5. So distance is less than the radius. So point lie inside the circle. Now the fourth case is find the distance between 0, 0 and minus 6, 5 by 2. So this is equal to 4 is the LCM, 144 plus 25. That is equal to 169 by 4. That is equal to 13 by 2. That is 6 by 5, 6.5. So here distance is equal to 6.5 and the radius is equal to 6.5. So it implies distance is equal to radius. It implies point lie on the circle. So we have to check here which point doesn't lie in the interior of the circle. So fourth is the point which lie on the circle and it doesn't lie in the interior of the circle. So D is the option. Now the 17th question is, a line intersect the y-axis and x-axis at a point P and Q respectively. If 2 minus 5 is the midpoint of PQ, then coordinates of P and Q are respectively. There are 4 options. You have to find the right one. Now this is x-axis, this is y-axis. A line intersect y-axis and x-axis at P and Q respectively. 2 minus 5 is the midpoint of this line. Let the coordinates of P is 0, y and coordinates of Q is x0. We are to find the coordinates of P and Q. We are to find the coordinates of P and Q. Since 2 minus 5 is the midpoint of PQ, so according to formula, 0 plus x upon 2 is equal to 2. It means x upon 2 is equal to 2. It means x is equal to 4. 0 plus y upon 2 is equal to minus 5. It means y upon 2 is equal to minus 5. So y is equal to minus 10. So coordinates of P are 0, minus 10 and coordinates of Q are 4, 0. So D is the answer. Now the 18th question is the area of a triangle with vertices A, B plus C, B, C plus A, C, A plus B is. There are 4 options. You have to find the right one. You have to find the area of a triangle. Let this point is a P. Let this point is Q. And let this point is R. Find area of PQR. Now let this is x1, y1. Let this point is x2, y2. Let this point is x3, y3. Write the formula for area, which is equal to half x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. Substitute the value. I'll have a c plus a minus a. When you open the bracket, sign will be changed. So it will be minus A minus B, plus x2 is B, y3 is A plus B, minus y1 is B minus C, plus x3 is C, y1 is B plus C, minus y2 is C minus A. Now here A and A is cancelled, here B and B is cancelled, here C and C is cancelled. So you are left with A, C minus B, plus B, A minus C, plus C, B minus A. Now this is equal to half AC minus AB, plus BA minus BC, plus CB minus CA. Now AC and AC is cancelled, AB and AB is cancelled, BC and BC is cancelled. So you have 0 here. So this is equal to 0. So B is the option. Now the 19th question is, if the distance between the points 4P and 10 is 5, then the value of P is, there are 4 options. You have to find the right one. Let this point 4P is A and let this point 10 is B. The distance between AB is 5. So apply distance formula on AB. That is 4 minus 1 whole square plus P minus 0 whole square is equal to 5. That is 9 plus P square is equal to 5. Now squaring both sides, 9 plus P square is equal to 25. P square is equal to 25 minus 9. P square is equal to 16. P is equal to plus minus 4. So B is the option. Now if I take the value of P as 4, then the distance between AB is 5. And if I take the value P as minus 4, again the distance between A and B will be equal to 5. So P has 2 values, plus 4 and minus 4. Check. If A is 4 and 4 and B is 1, 0, the distance between AB is equal to 4 minus 1 whole square means 9. 4 minus 0 whole square means 16. That is, distance is 5. If A is 4 minus 4 and B is 1, 0, then the distance between AB is equal to 4 minus 1, 3. 3 whole square means 9, plus minus 4 minus 0, that is equal to minus 4 whole square, that is 16. So again, this will come out to be 5. So we have 2 values of P, that is plus minus 4. In both the cases, the distance will be equal to 5. Now the 20th question is, if the points A, 1, 2, O, 0, 0, C, A, B are collinear, then there are 4 options. You have to find the correct one. If the points are collinear, it means area of a triangle is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Then area of a triangle is equal to 0. I have already explained 2 methods to find the area of a triangle. Now the first method is area of a triangle is equal to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Since area is equal to 0, so this is equal to 0. Just substitute the values. If I take A, 1, 2, if I take A, 1, 2 as x1, y1, O, 0, 0 as x2, y2, O, 0, 0 as x2, y2, and C, AB as x3, y3. Now substitute these values here. Now this is equal to half minus B plus 2A equal to 0. So minus B plus 2A is equal to 0 into 2 minus B plus 2A is equal to 0. So 2A is equal to B. So C is the option. On the next page, I'll explain the second method. In this method, we write x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, then again x1, y1. x1, y1 is 1, 2. x2, y1 is, so here just substitute the values. 1, 2, 0, 0, then AB, then again 1, 2. Now half, multiply this, this, and this, and add them. 1 into 0 plus 0 into B plus 2A, put it in the bracket, then write minus. Now multiply this, this, and this, and add them. It will be 2 into 0 plus A into 0 plus 1 into B. This is equal to half 2A minus B is equal to 0. Now area is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. So 2A minus B is equal to 0 into 2 by 1. That means 2A minus B is equal to 0. So 2A is equal to B. C is the right option.